Selling on Instagram, LinkedIn, and other social networks is not hard, but it takes time. You can't just slide into the DMs and sell. So today I'm going to give you 3 clues somebody is interested in the products or services you're selling. I'm Shannon with Shannon Lee Strategy. I'm a digital marketing strategist and coach who teaches small business owners, entrepreneurs, and mompreneurs how to grow their business using simple digital marketing strategies that get them results, same time, and make them money. And I have over 20 years of doing this in the online marketing space. I'm here to help if you need anything. All right, before you can sell anything, you need to be serving your audience with educational, informative, and inspiring fun content. This content is going to live on your website. Then you're going to repurpose it for your social media. And I teach website first, social second. Why website first? It's searchable by Google. That's one main reason why. And the more you put on your website, the more Google likes that and it ranks you and you rank for your keywords and people find you. All right. So that could mean answering your audience's questions that they ask frequently or based off questions you've asked your audience. So the goal here is to serve your audience first. All right. So clue number 1, that somebody is interested in the products or services you're selling. People are regularly commenting or applying on your social media posts. That is a great indicator that they want to work with you. And if they're your dream client, you want to make sure you follow them back, learn a little about them and how you could possibly serve them, in a discovery call. So if they're commenting on your social posts, your blog posts, your LinkedIn, they're commenting and they're asking you questions, this is a good indicator that they want to work with you. All right. Clue number 2, someone is interested in the product or service you're selling. Anybody who frequently asks questions about the products or services you're selling. So if they're slipping into your DMs, that's a great indicator that they like and trust you. If they're in your Facebook group and they are showing up to your lives and commenting and asking you stuff, that's a great indicator they are somebody that likes you, trusts you, and possibly wants to work with you. Okay, clue number 3, someone is interested in your product or service that you're selling. They're attending trainings that you do in person, when we can do them again, or virtual. Don't forget to let them know how to work with you. I always end with, this is how you can work with me. I don't make it super salesy. I just say, if you want to get together and chat, this is how you get to me. So, action step time. Work through these 3 clues, write down names and contact those people who are commenting, who are slipping into your DMs, who are showing up to your trainings, thank them. It may seem like a cold call, but reaching out to them or by, having them reach out to you and then them attending your events is a great indicator that they like what you're putting out and they could either work with you or send you business. So if you love these tips, join my Facebook community, the Simplify Squad. I offer free trainings, live coaching, expert panels, and more. The link is going to be below. If you have any questions about this video or anything marketing related, drop it in the comment and I'll answer it here.